Wise words once said to the masses. Who from this blue shield gon' protect our black asses? Posted on the block hoping for these ghetto passes. Hoping that we snitch, praying for arrest. Thinking that the potential harassment cause of the shield on your chest. Protect and serve me with your racist hatred, cause we can't escape it. Our movements, you tape them. Our young girls, you rape them. Now how am I supposed to gain advantage when your evidence was planted? Scanning the surroundings while surrounded by plenty of troops. These Miranda rights, if I move you'll shoot. Unarmed, unharmed, yet unsafe from you. Praying to God that I wish I never gave that much power to you. Officer Friendly wants to end me, yet unsafe from you. Praying to God I wish I never gave that power to you.
They probably wonder why I feel this way. It's like nothing's ever gonna change. But through it all, it still remains two sides for our story. If we're lost, gotta find a way. We still live for a brighter day. Cause in the end, it still remains two sides for our story. A printed description of everything you fear. Story told, but can you trust what you hear? It's his story, trust me, they don't tell it fair. Can you understand the light if you can't stand the glare? The pigment of my skin, texture of my hair. It quickly form opinions, but there's neither here or there. Some may be in denial, but I see it clear. Self-infliction, our biggest enemies in the mirror. Never pretend to be in the clear. We kill each other, but we notice when they interfere. Without focus, tell me how can we persevere? Revert the tears from the struggle for so many years. Grieving mothers with so many fears. So many sleepless nights, but nobody cares. After media coverage to boost your career, even after you ask for offering, but you say you care. Reality is we still here. A picture of blood spilled on the street and still fear. It's like we move to the beat of a snare, but after the song's over, we still leaving it there. Plantation way of thinking, living in the rear. Probably kept my race hanging like a chandelier. I remember when all we needed was prayer to make it. In some cases, held ourselves back for 100 years. I find myself sitting in my father's chair. Knowing most are non-existent, hardly ever there. Knowing most are in the system, hardly ever spared. Learning to survive, knowledge hardly ever shared. Is it fair? Cause excuses was never for me. But why it seem like in the city's always treated poorly? I'm searching for more beyond the glory. Open your eyes, two sides, same
Take away the blood of a man, thug with a plan who does what he can. The plugs in demand, lover and friend, brother to them, and explain why these cops have my blood on their hands. Protect and serve, nerve. How the police decision to put my strange fruit in a preserve, in a jam. Damn, wouldn't imagine a last dragon couldn't eat the bullet. Took the PD to pull it off. Worrying about AIDS, cancer, and paying my bills. Wishing to be on top. How my spirit get uplifted off a routine stop? Mama say a prayer cause I'm not coming home. My legacy displayed on social media from Obama's phone. So what you say, my profile states I'm a nigga nappy. No killing season, the reason become trigger happy. In the midst of blowing pills, pouring fists and taking trips. No badge and shield says I shouldn't exist. Please, see, it's gonna take more than RP tasks to heal this one. Take more than lying to the world and kill this one. Take more than sending my people into these prisons. Man, the cop, you can't stop ghetto vision. Y'all done heard the last person, we gon' riot. Sell us the lies, we don't buy it. Fatten us up on facts, we don't diet. It don't digest. Jesus, take this deal. We need a pilot. Even Gianni feel these dummies run up on me if they want me. Y'all purging on the real, ain't no need for being phony. Holding back these tears as my people gather. Mind over matter, cause it matters over mine. Overkill a ghetto means you went over the line. And some may say stop snitching, this could be true. Next time that I snitch, gonna be on boys in blue. Hide in the face of justice, wanting to stress us. All this extra pressure, but the faith of Jesus bless us. Giving us this universal message that will test us. So the next person to get choked out, cause you spoke out, will be in the news for days. The news today, take mine, we learn to take yours. Eye sharpen eye, time to pick up our swords, weapon words.
Something still, God. Only the truth to know that. Signs and symbols for the conscious mind. It's time to rise up. Go against that beat, yo. It's right here in our own street. It's right here in America. We gotta get this together, yo. That's the only way we gonna ever conquer anything. Just rise up.
Infaregg.